How to replace the internal hose on your Dyson ball. Firstly, turn the vacuum cleaner on its side, and then we need to undo this filter cover. Lift that off. Now we need to pull the top of your old internal hose and then let go. Push the wheels upwards, and then using a flat-headed screwdriver, push the clip on the bottom of the hose and it will just pop out and you can pull it out. And there you'll see the damage on the old hose. Now we need to remove the floor tool by pulling this clip backwards and pulling down on the floor tool. I'll show you why soon. To fit the new hose, Dyson say to line up this clip with the channel and push down and everything will be fine. That's not always the case. There is a little tab on the hose. Now this should sit inside a hole inside the housing, but what happens is the clip sometimes goes in first and then you end up with a gap here, so no suction. You need to fit the tab in first, so as you push down and the clip locks into position, everything is flat and flush. To do this, I put my middle finger inside the hose and then pull on the clip with my thumb. I then use the other hand to feel the tab go into the hole and then push with the right hand and the clip will go into position. I'll show you again now as I'm actually fitting the hose. So middle finger inside, pull down with the thumb, putting the tab in first, you'll be able to feel it with your left hand, and then push down and everything will clip into place. Just check that that's secure and you can check that there's no gaps inside either. Now you need to pull the wheels down and then pull the hose up and then push it into position where it should be at the top, like so. And now we need to put the floor tool on. This just pushes up into the connectors and it'll click into place. Then get your filter cover, screw that back on. Please don't forget to like this video if you've found it helpful. Once you've screwed the cover back on, your repair is complete. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos like this.